Hello students, this is your computer aided designing lab. As we open the computer, here is an icon of text style. Double click on this text style. This is the now this Wonderweave system, the main software is open. As we open Wonderweave system, here are several function keys where the cursor is. Concentrate on the movement of the cursor. Okay, as this opens, the software name is Wonderweaves. Okay, as I click on left click on file, again a small window appears here having new many options here. New, open, है ना, new. As I click on new, if I want to work new in my software, I have to click on new. As I left click on new, here again a window appears having fabric construction window. The title is fabric construction. In this fabric construction, the parameters, all the parameters written here are as we have learned in our fabric analysis. Okay, read count, picks, average picks, read space, finished width, salvage ends, salvage ends. We can change the parameters by the toggle switch here. Whatever is our requirement, we can change the parameters, and according to the requirement, we fill all the parameters and do it OK. Left click on OK. As I left click on OK, here two windows appear. First is design, draft and peg plan window, and second window is of fabric construction window. Okay, now what the work we want to do here. Now this is the main gate to enter in this, to work with this software. Again, several working keys are here. First of all, I show you how this software works. Okay, then I'll go separately to each window and working of each window. Okay, now this is my design, draft एंड पैक प्लान विंडो. दिस इज़ माई डेंटिंग प्लान. ओके, यही हम चीज़ें चारों हमने एनालिसिस में भी पढ़ी हैं. दिस इज़ अ फैब्रिक व्यू विंडो. व्हाट वी डन हियर, यहाँ पे हम जो भी चीज़ बनाएंगे, जो भी व्यू भरेंगे, द वार्पिंग वेफ्टिंग पैटर्न, द फैब्रिक अपीयर्स इन दिस विंडो. ओके, नाउ फर्स्टली व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, I want to show the working of this software. Right click on the draft window. Here are the option of clear. If we want to erase our previous work and want the clear graph paper, go to the window, respective window. My cursor is now on the peg plan window. Right click over there, select clear peg plan. As I left click on clear peg plan, the work done previously is erased. Okay, now here are the icons and the function keys. We can take directly from the icons also. If you will get familiar after doing some practical, you will get familiar with these icons. You can take directly from that also, and we can go with this function keys also. Initially I have to go set design repeat. Click over there. Now this is weave repeat, draft, picks and shaft. I want I will fill all the parameters according to my choice. If I want to work on the plain weave, go for draft 4. pix 4. This is a toggle switch. We can go for here also, and we can reduce and increase by this toggle switch also. Shaft is also 4. Ends per dent. Ends per dent to apply. Click over there. Now this is a pattern repeat. Which type of pattern you want? If I want to take only stripes, then I have to go to warp pattern only. Weft pattern is 0 or 1. And if the check will I want the check, both the patterns will be in working condition. Now check, we will go for check. Warp pattern. Suppose I take warp 0, 20. Okay, this is 20. Weft pattern same as warp 20. ठीक है. Now according to my रिक्वायरमेंट, मुझे प्लेन वीव चाहिए थी, मैंने ये प्लेन वीव के अकॉर्डिंग सारी चीज़ें भर ली हैं. पैटर्न warp pattern and weft pattern. Warp pattern and weft pattern means the unit repeat of the design. In warp size, warp direction is 20, and the unit repeat of the design in weft is also 20. Means the check will be symmetrical here. Okay. Now click on OK with the left click on mouse. As my parameters are set, the window appears only 4. As I fill 4, so the space is given 4, and the peg plan is also 4. Okay. Now this pencil, small pencil, this is graph drawing tool. I select this graph drawing tool. As I select this, again a small window appears here. Select peg plan and fill it according to my weave, according to my choice. Left click on the mouse. Okay. Now draft. Now see, as I click on draft, automatically the weave appears. So this is a benefit of this software. This is time saving also. As we click on, now select colors. These are the color windows. These are warp colors and these are weft colors. As I click on warp colors, which color I want, है ना, we can change these colors, or by default all the 4 colors appear always when you open your computer. By default these 4 colors are always appears. If you want to change the color, go into it, right click in the color and take more option. As apply, select one color over there, and suppose I want to replace this brown with blue. Apply. See, in the first position of the color is get changed. Now second color I want same, so I can take same green. Okay. If the work is completed, I close this. Now pattern. Which type of pattern I want to fill? See, this is a window appear, warp and weft pattern. As I click on pattern, this one. Notice the cursor, movement of the cursor. Warp. Here warp space shows 20A. 20A means I have selected 20, pattern 20. Okay, so it gives automatically 20 space. Now these 20 can be divided by our designer's mood ki what type of 20 division we want. If we want 10 10 identical checks, if we want identical checks, 10 A, 10 B. Now this 10A 10B means A means this first color, B means this second color. 10A 10B, C, D, E, F, how many colors you want you can take. Now weft, if you want same as warp, you can go and select right click, copy, then go for weft, right click over there, paste. This is a facility if your repeat is in the large size, you can go and take repeat. Now go for preview. As I click on preview, this is warp view window, this is weft view window. Separate pattern will be there. Though this is symmetrical pattern, so this shown the symmetrical. As I click on OK, the fabric view window gives the interlacement or fabric view of this fabric. So this is the working of our this software. Now in the next video we'll see separately these function keys right over here: file, edit, view, weaves, color, pattern, yarns, effect, calculation, windows and help. Okay, in the next video we will see this. Thank you.